Hello friend, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to install Nmap on macOS. Nmap is a network monitoring tool, but before Nmap you need to saw the video of how to install brew. Okay, if brew is not installed on your system, so just type brew install Nmap and this will install Nmap on your Macbook. If you don't know how to install brew, I will give the installation link of that brew in this video or in the description box. Okay, just watch it, and if you have any problem you can ask me through the comment section. Done. Okay, so Nmap has been successfully installed. Okay, once the Nmap has been successfully installed, you can use the Nmap command for whatever you want. Okay, so let's go to and search for the Nmap. Let me go here. No, just I want to search Nmap here. Is it here or not? So Nmap is not here. Nmap in the command only. So let's use the command and test it. So I am going to run Nmap and going to run on my system, on my network. Okay, so I want to scan my whole network, so I will use -sn and then the complete network address 192.168.29.0 in my case /24, which is my network address. Allow it. And just wait, and let's see Nmap is Nmap is started working. Starting Nmap, you can see that it means the Nmap command is already running here. Let me see if any permission asking or not. I don't think any permission needed here, so just wait for the output. Okay, and I scan, I get the output, and I get few IP address here like 224.29.1 whatever. Okay, like suppose you want to scan any particular IP address, you can do that Nmap, and suppose I want to scan -sb IP address 192.168.29.1. okay, I want to scan this machine, so SB I have just given it for service version detection. Okay, so whatever service running on that machine with version will be displayed here. So you have to use -s small capital V and then the IP address of the machine on which you want to run all the service and version detection. So this is the actually command. Okay, so you can run so many commands like all the Nmap command, like how to check the operating system, like Nmap -o. Okay, and the IP address. Simply you can run all those commands because Nmap is running on this system, so you can run all the Nmap related command on this machine. I hope you understand how to install Nmap on Macbook now. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, feel free to comment, okay, and ask through the comment section. Thank you.